Every single day, 10 million dumplings pass through these gates, moving faster than the human eye can track.
Critics say machine-made food has no soul, but this factory is proving them wrong with a secret hidden inside the dough. Behind these titanium walls to reveal the $50 million secret that makes these dumplings taste better than handmade. It starts with the flour. 3-story-high silos holding enough raw material to feed an entire city for a month. It's molecular bonding. If the ratio is off by even a gram, the whole 10-ton batch is scrapped.
The pressure here is higher than a jet engine's turbine, ensuring the dough never breaks during the bake.
The dough must rest. A single degree of difference in this room ruins the entire day's production. Next comes the heart of the dumpling. We're talking fresh, never frozen, premium-grade protein arriving by the ton. Lasers scan every single ounce for imperfections that a human eye could never see. Seasoning is kept under lock and key. It's the soul of the bake. But can you guess the one spice they never use here?
This isn't just mixing, it's a calculated collision. Every second in this vortex ensures that not a single dumpling is left without that signature kick.
Soul, the dough is the armor. We're moving 3 tons of specialized flour every hour just to keep up. The temperature must be exactly 42 degrees. 1 degree off, and the dough loses the strength to hold the juices inside.
It takes 5 minutes of brutal mechanical force to achieve a texture that a human hand could never replicate at this scale.
You cannot rush perfection. If this dough doesn't rest for exactly 30 minutes, the entire batch is ruined. Now, the meat and the dough finally meet. 24 individual injections every single second. This machine performs the work of 1,000 grandmas, folding 6,000 dumplings a minute with 0 mistake. But they aren't dumplings yet. Now, they must face the wall of fire. But how do we keep them from drying out?
Inside this tunnel, 50,000 dumplings are about to undergo a chemical transformation simultaneously.
It isn't just heat, it's a cyclone of 400-degree air. If the velocity drops even 1%, the texture is ruined. In minutes, the Maillard reaction takes over. That golden hue isn't just for looks, it's the source of the entire flavor profile. But there's a hidden enemy, moisture. These sensors pull out gallons of steam every hour to keep the crunch consistent. This digital eye scans 3,000 units per second. If one dumpling is even 2 degrees off, the system flags the entire batch. To get that 360-degree bake, the belt literally drops them. It's a calculated risk to ensure no soft spots remain. Over 7 miles of conveyor tracks. If the belt stops for even 30 seconds, the heat will incinerate the entire line. We are at the peak. This is the danger zone, where the crust reaches its maximum structural integrity. 1 second too long, and it's charcoal. There they are. Millions of them. But they can't be touched yet, because if you touch them now, they'd burn right through a glove.
They can't stay hot for long. To maintain that perfect texture, thousands of dumplings enter this massive spiral vortex.
1 millimeter too wide, and it's out. Every single unit is scanned by a laser sentinel at 100 frames per second. Then comes the shock. A blast of negative 100 degrees locks in the moisture before the steam can even escape.
But notice that shine? A microscopic glaze is applied to ensure they look just as good in your kitchen as they do right here.
Speed is everything. 20,000 units an hour are shaken into perfect alignment. Lines from across the factory converge here. It's a choreographed dance of engineering.
Faster than a human eye can track, these Delta robots handle the final placement with 0 errors.
Just a box. It's a suspension system designed to keep every edge intact during a 2,000-mile journey.
Even the robots are watched. AI software checks for the slightest imperfection in real time. Before the seal goes on, this tiny silver packet is dropped in. Do you know why this is the most expensive part of the box? Inside that silver foil, it is not foil. It is not just seasoning, bone marrow glaze. Protect the flavor, a 2,000-pound roll of specialized film unspools at 30 miles per hour, blanketing the line in seconds. In just 0.2 seconds, a thermal head welds the film to the tray with 400 pounds of pressure. This seal is now unbreakable. But first, oxygen must go. A high-powered vacuum sucks out 99.9% of Dowdy. Air is immediately replaced with pure nitrogen. This is the secret to why these stay fresh for months without a single preservative.
The dragon's throat, a 50-foot-long corridor of high-pressure steam where the raw ingredients become a meal. Degrees Fahrenheit. 1 degree higher, and the dough turns to mush. 1 degree lower, and it's a safety hazard. Watch the lids. They must puff up. If one stays flat, it means the seal failed, and the entire tray is instantly purged from the line.
We hit them with an Arctic blast of minus 40 degrees. This stops the cooking instantly and keeps the dough firm. 1,000 trays an hour, looking for even a grain of sand or a fragment of steel.
Would you trust a machine to check your food? At this speed, even a single gram of difference is a failure. The machine decides their fate in milliseconds.
They aren't just snacks anymore. They are a synchronized legion moving toward the most critical stage of the journey. But fire needs a precursor. This steam bath is the secret to a crust that bends but never breaks.
This isn't just for looks. This microscopic layer of oil is what creates the legendary crunch you hear in every bite.
In this 100-foot tunnel, there is no room for error. 1 degree too hot, and 1,000,000 units are ruined.
Watch closely. This chemical transformation is where the flavor is actually born. It's called the Maillard reaction. Standard ovens leave cold spots. Here, a vortex of 400-degree air ensures every single corner is hit with equal 400 sensors per second. If the center is even a fraction too cold, the entire line reacts instantly. This final blast of heat is what separates a good dumpling from a perfect one. Can you hear the crunch forming? Entered as pale dough, they emerge as gold. But do you think they are ready to be packed? Not even close. But they can't stay hot forever. If they cook for even 10 seconds too long, the crust loses its perfect snap. Precision is everything. A single hot spot could ruin an entire batch, so we track the heat signature of every individual piece. An eye is too slow for this. These robots make 3 decisions per second, ensuring only the perfect ones move forward. Now, the army divides. To package millions, you can't have a bottleneck. Efficiency is the only way to survive. And we count by weight. Every bag must be identical down to the very last gram. The armor is prepared. This specialized film is designed to keep moisture out and the flavor locked in tight.
But how do they stay fresh for months? We replace the air with nitrogen. It's like putting the flavor in a time capsule.
5,000 dumplings every single minute. At this speed, there is zero room for error. Think about that next time you take a bite.
But the heat that creates the perfect crust is now their greatest enemy. If they stay this hot for 1 minute too long, the dough turns to mush.
Flash freeze zone. 60 feet of pure sub-zero precision designed to lock in moisture before it can evaporate.
In the if the temperature misses the mark by even 3 degrees, the entire written set. In seconds, the exterior becomes hard as glass. This comes in a bag of millions. Not a single dumpling is stuck.
Next, they hit the shaker. This isn't just for movement, it's a brutal test. If a dumpling is fragile or cracked, the vibration will find it.
Sees what the human eye cannot. It scans for micro cracks that would cause the filling to leak during your dinner. One puff of air and the imperfect are gone. Only the elite 5,000 per minute survive to make it to the bag. Now, they rise. This vertical climb leads to the brain of the operation, the multi-head weigher.
The computer runs thousands of combinations in milliseconds. It chooses the perfect mix of dumplings to ensure you get exactly 24 ounces, not a gram less.
In less than a second, they go from factory flow to your future meal. But wait, how do we seal them without trapping heat? In less than half a second, these heated bars fuse the film, locking out the air and locking in the quality of 1,000,000 meals. Before they leave, every bag passes through an invisible wall. Any bag with even a speck of metal is instantly rejected. 1 gram too light and the machine knows. This is precision at a scale of millions. Manual packing is impossible at this speed. This robotic arm works 24 hours a day without ever missing a box. Millions of dumplings, stacked into a fortress of flavor. Each pallet represents thousands of happy customers.
Always 20 below. This deep freeze pauses time, keeping every dumpling exactly as it was when it left the oven.
Beeps, the fleet moves. These trucks carry the result of millions of hours of engineering to a store near you.
From a high-speed factory in the US to your dinner table. The scale is massive, but the goal is simple. 1 perfect bite.
Dumplings, remember, it took millions of pounds of flour, miles of conveyor belts, and a masterpiece of American engineering to get there.
Behind the billions.
But tell us, which dumpling style is the true king of the kitchen?